source into your local dictionary, for example, article submitting, and you can see as soon as you hit enter, the spin syntax is expanded and it's added, and then you could say article submission, which is almost the same thing, or maybe article writing. Now, what I want to show you next is the synonym groups and mass replacer. Down here we have a couple things going on. There's an E and an X. The E will allow you to edit the synonym group, and the X will delete it outright. I'm not going to hit that because I don't want to delete my synonym group, but I will use the E. Now what's happening here is you can edit your synonym group, and up here, this little part here, this shows what the group currently looks like. Down here you can either add or remove or update a word. So let's just say I'll add article jollies, for example. Hit enter, and there it is, article jollies. Now I can remove it and it's gone. And if I were to add oops, sorry, I gotta hit the add button first. And then I wanted to change it to be KKKK and update it, you'll see that it changes. So that's just how you edit your synonyms. We'll hit done, and we're back on the main editing screen. Okay, I'm going to show you something called the mass replacer. What this does is it goes out and finds all the words in the body, summary, title, and resource box that are already in a synonym group. So I'll just go over a couple options down here. First, we have the width. The width refers to phrases, basically. What the mass replacer will do is it will look for any phrase that is, in this case, 2 words wide. If you were to set it up for, let's say, 5 words, it will look for a phrase that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words wide all the way throughout the article body. And then once it's done looking for 5 words, it will look for 4 words, and then it will go look for 3 words, and then 2 words, until it gets down to 1 word. Search inside spin syntax means that the article editor will search within spin syntax if that's checked off. Typically you don't need to do that because you've already got your spin syntax set up, but if you want to, you can. Normally I leave that unchecked, and so it will only search the body and the rest of the boxes for words that are not inside the spin syntax. So I'm just going to hit my mass replacer button here, and as you can see, it's flashing through the article. Now, as you remember, we created a synonym group with the words article marketing in it. As you can see, there's article marketing there. So if I just hit the replace button, you'll see that it gets automatically replaced, and then it continues on to find the next word, or the next, in this case, phrase, and it finds it again. So I'll just hit the replace button. Now that it's done searching for 2-word phrases, it's down to 1-word phrases. So now I can say, in this article I will speak, and I'll just replace that, and it's going again, and there's another synonym group for can, so I'll replace that, and it's done. Very fast and very effective way to spin your articles. You don't have to put a whole lot of effort into it. Basically what you're doing is you're training the software to adapt to your synonyms, the synonyms that you like to have. And